Hey gorgeous, it's me Vasiliki, and in this video I have an Essence makeup haul for you. Essence has released new makeup products for fall winter of 2021. I think I have bought all of the makeup products, so if you see something that you want to see a review or a makeup tutorial about, let me know in the comments. Share this video with a friend that likes Essence makeup, and also don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and tutorials. Let's start unboxing. We have a lot of things in here. First of all, we have some little palettes. We have 4 new palettes by Essence. They are all super small. I was expecting something bigger, and when I received my order, I was like, where are the palettes? This one is bronzed this way. I like to mauve it, dancing green, and ice baby. We have a plastic packaging. All of the palettes have a little mirror. They are super adorable. You can travel with them. You can have them in your purse. Let me know which color story is your favorite. And let's continue with one more palette that I have here. This one is called Yes I Can, and it is an eyeshadow palette. This one has exactly the same packaging with the Hey Chicks palette. This is a very fall inspired color story. In case that you're wondering, this is the Bronzed This Way eyeshadow palette. We don't have the same eyeshadows, so let's continue with the face palette now that I have actually used today on my face. It is this one here, the Bronze Your Way bronzing palette, and we also have a highlighting palette by Essence with this beautiful packaging. We have 3 bronzers, 2 matte and 1 with a shiny finish. Actually, these are like satin, and in the swatches are very powdery in a way that you're wondering if they are going to be pigmented. However, they are very nice on the skin. I have used today this shade here. It is called Downtown Bronze, and it is actually very saturated. Super pretty palette. Another product that I have now on my face is the Fresh and Fit foundation. This one is the new formula and it is vegan. Today I'm doing a wear test for this foundation. I will try to post my review for this one in a few days, so don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can get notified. And let's continue with a product that I was very surprised that they have released. This one is the MultiUse Airbrush blender, and it reminds me a lot that blender that Tati Beauty has released. Oh my god, it's so soft. We have a microfiber fabric. I'm very curious about this one. You're gonna see a video about it. And then I have here the Hello Good Stuff sleeping mask. We also have the Sika face cream, soothing and moisturizing, and this one is the primer serum. And I also have here the herbal face mist. The packaging is super adorable, and let's find the next product. So we have 4 new shades for the Juicy Bomb Shiny Lip Glosses. I have a video for the shades 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I have the shades 5, 6, 7, 8. If you just want a very affordable and easy to have in your purse lip gloss, just get one of these because this is very lightweight, and also all of them are vegan. As I can see, I think now Essence is 100% vegan. I'm gonna be doing lip swatches for these. So what do we have here? This one is the Ultra Care Foot Mask. This one can strengthen skin barrier, and it is a leave-on treatment. In this collection you can also find the protecting toenail base coat. The design of these products are just so pretty. And then oh yeah, I was so happy to see this product. This one is the Lash Glue, and it is for precise application. They have one more Lash Glue, the Peel Off Lash Glue, and I really like that one. This one comes with a little brush. I really like applicators like this for the lashes. It makes your job so much easier. The packaging is also super cute. Then let's go to some lip balms. This one is the Caring Tint Lip Balm with pink grapefruit. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, gorgeous. It has a very light citrusy scent. The next one is the Peppermint Glow Lip Balm. This one is pH reacting. It smells so good. And then we have the Volumizing Collagen Vegan Lip Balm. This one is plumping and caring. And we have a light peachy lip balm. Oh, it has some scratches. this? No, my new lip balm. I think this is just a factory mistake. This one is almost scentless, and I'm going to be doing a video for all of the lip balms. And next, and this one is the Fresh and Fit Vitamin Bomb Face Serum. This one contains vitamin B5 and also niacinamide. It is hydrating and smoothing. So we have 30 milliliters and also a little dropper. It doesn't have a scent. I think it reminds me of oatmeal. I know, weird. Oh no. I applied too much. A little bit slippery for a serum. This one is the Overnight Brow Mask. It is conditioning and regenerating with aloe vera. And I wanted to start using something like this one because I don't have a lot of brow hair. So I was very curious to start using a treatment. We have a little brush here. Oh, it smells nice. And next, let's go to another brow product. This one is the Brow Wax Pen. It is waterproof and it contains shea butter. I want a product to make my brows fuller very fast. I think this one is a little bit lighter for me. It is the shade medium brown. And up next, I have here the What the Fake Extreme Plumping Lip Filler. This one has chili extract. I hope that it's not painful to use this. The packaging is adorable, super cute. And let's see the scent. Ooh. It has like a minty scent, like a lot of plumping lip products. This is looking like a shade that I can wear every day. And after that, I have a product that I have actually used today. This one is the Lash Comb, and let me show you what it is. You can use it when your mascara makes your lashes spidery. Today I had some issues with this eye here and the mascara that I was using. And this little guy here actually saved the day. It works. I was very impressed. Also, it is very easy to hold this one and comb the lashes. Then we have a new primer. This one is the Prime & Studio Multi-Action Protecting Primer. Let's continue with some very beautiful lip products. This is a new formula. It is the Cool Collagen Plumping Lipstick, and you can find it in 5 shades. I'm curious about the shade My Dream. The scent is sweet and chemical, but it is very light. I love new lipsticks. I'm going to be doing a lip swatches video for these as well. After that, we have the hydrogel eye patches. These are hydrating for 24 hours and also cooling. They are made in Korea. Okay, and also they have a pink hollow design, so I really want to use this in a video. Ooh, super cute. So this is another new lipstick formula by Essence. These are the Hydrating Nude lipsticks. You can find this in 3 colors, and I'm curious about this. It is the shade 303 Delicate. I really like the packaging. It is so aesthetically pleasing. I think this one is scentless. Next, we have 2 new mascaras with this fun design. These are the Double Trouble mascaras in extra black and also waterproof. They can give definition and volume. So let's see a little bit the applicator. So on one side we have longer bristles, beautiful colors, and we have some more lipsticks. This is the This Is Me lipsticks. I have done 2 lipstick videos with swatches. We have 2 new shades, 25 Lovely and also 26 Daring. This is actually one of my favorite lipsticks by Essence. In this collection, all of the colors are very natural and you can use them on different skin tones. New lipsticks make me smile. And then we have this mascara. This one is the Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara. I have done a review for this one and all of the Lash Princess mascaras. I love this mascara. It is one of my favorites. This is how the applicator looks. I'm super excited that they have it now in the regular makeup range. You can find the review of this one here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!